Add list to set. How do I add a list of values to an existing set?
You can't add a list to a set because lists are mutable, meaning that you can change the contents of the list after adding it to the set. You can however add tuples to the set, because you cannot change the contents of a tuple. Edit. Some explanation. The documentation defines a set as an unordered collection of distinct hashable objects. The objects have to be hashable so that finding, adding and removing elements can be done faster than looking at each individual element every time you perform these operations. The specific algorithms used are explained in the Wikipedia article. Python's hashing algorithms are explained on ifbot.org and Python's _hash_ function in the Python reference. Some facts. Set elements as well as dictionary keys have to be hashable, some unhashable data types. List, use tuple instead. Set, use frozen set instead. Dict, has no official counterpart, but there are some. Recipes, object instances are hashable by default with each instance having a unique hash. You can override this behavior as explained in the Python reference.
Adding the contents of a list. Use set.update or the vertical bar equals operator. Adding the list itself. It is not possible to directly add the list itself to the set, since set elements must be hashable. Instead, one may convert the list to a tuple first.
To add the elements of a list to a set, use update. From this URL, s.update t, return set s with elements added from t. For example, if you instead want to add the entire list as a single element to the set, you can't because lists aren't hashable. You could instead add a tuple, for example s.addTupleL. See also type error, unhashable type, list when using built-in set function for more information on that.
Hopefully this helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.